Hello everyone, we have another parcel from Aliexpress, and it is a footprint kit. Yeah, it doesn't look like one. I'm not sure this works. Let's open it up. Okay, so we have a piece of card. I assume that's where the footprint goes. And this must be a layer of paint or something. Ink, maybe. Don't know if you can see that. Just a bit of ink there on my finger. Oh. Right. I'll have to go and get a baby's foot and try it out. I'll be right back. Right, okay, so we have a baby's foot, as you can see, a beautiful little foot, and we are going to press his foot on there, onto the ink, and then I'm going to press it onto the piece of card. Right, go. Keep still. Take his foot off, and then put it on there. I'm going live. Right, so we did it wrong that time. It finally worked out that we put this over the card and then we press the foot into it, which should leave an imprint on the card. Right, so let's have another go. Here we go. Ah, good boy. There we go. Oh, I messed it up, messed it up. Okay, right, so we've got another card, we'll have another go. Might not work as well this time because we've already used it, but we'll give it a crack. Ready? Ready? There we go. That's better. It's not brilliant, but it's better. Okay, so the first attempt was a disaster. This attempt wasn't the best. And we ended up with that one, which is pretty good. I could probably use that again, but I don't think it'll come out very well. Thanks for watching.